The last question for you is that, right now this whole buzz got created with Geo taking in a lot of investments. So if you had to break down the entire thing, what exactly happened to Geo during this lockdown period? Why are there so many investments, and why are a lot of people saying that, oh, it's not just about the money, but these investments are very strategical. Like the money that is coming out from certain companies, it's done for a reason. It's not just about the stake. It's not just about the money. It has a very long term plan that's in place. So if you could just break it down for someone who does not understand all those complicated terms, what has this deal to do with India, and how does this shape the future of India?
So I will not start directly with the geo, and whatever I will speak, that is my study, my observation, my view.
Hmm.
So it whole started with the our Prime Minister when he talked about the JAM. So many people don't know this. So it's a JAM. So he told this kind of a philosophy we want to bring in our country. So
What
this
is
JAM
jam?
is like, so this J stands for Jandhan. So they have decided like we want to give some kind of a monetary thing. So we should give directly to the people, not to the banks or not to the any local bodies, and then they will pass on to the people. So that is a Jandhan. Then
Hmm.
A comes for the Aadhaar card. So they want to link everything with the one system, one phone, one this 12-digit number,
Hmm.
so it can be easily traceable. So they
Hmm.
are lying an infrastructure for the whole India, and these all things are interconnected. And
Hmm.
M stands for mobile. So everything should be most of the things should be done from the mobile only,
Hmm.
because people are not tech savvy to use laptop in the rural area, but they are
Hmm.
good with the mobile.
Hmm.
So these three are the things, and this is what uh, Mukesh Ambani took the lead. He knew that if I want to build this kind of infrastructure, that make in India, digital India, then I need to do three things very properly. First, the internet connection, because the technology, the base is dependent on the tech, on the internet. So I
Hmm.
want to provide a good infrastructure in terms of 4G or 5G. So now when I say he wants to do it, I'm sure that it's not just for the country, it's for his personal gain also, because it's a two-way side. He will also get a profit. So he saw the opportunity. There is a lot of opportunity. And if I speak about the numbers, India has just penetrated almost 45 to 60% of the internet.
Okay.
So you can see a lot of penetration, but the mobile penetration is almost 100% now.
Hmm.
Everyone has,
Hmm.
about the age group of 15, everyone has the mobile, but still internet has not came to their mobile. So that is the opportunity he saw. So in 2016 he started the Geo because he
Hmm.
wanted to lay down a foundation.
Hmm.
Now what he did, so now comes the your these deals when this
Hmm.
come into picture. So in 2019, in his one of the AGM annual general meeting, he told that I want to make Reliance as a net debt free company.
Hmm.
So you might be aware of this term. What is net debt? So पूरा कर्ज मुक्त करना है मुझे कंपनी को
Hmm.
by hook and crook or whatever. Like I will sell the stake and I will raise the money. मैं अपना कर्जा पूरा निकाल दूंगा. This is what his vision was. And no one knew when this will happen, but he told कि बहुत ही जल्द होगा ये.
Hmm.
And in just okay, so yeah, he gave the target of like 18 months, 2019 में, and he told that by 2021 or 2020 half I should be doing this whole thing. And
Hmm.
it literally came in lockdown. I don't know why specifically it came into lockdown only, but what happened in March 23, the share price of Reliance went very down. It was
Okay.
around 800 something. So the valuation of Reliance was very low at that time.
Hmm.
So most of the investor, they knew like Reliance is that kind of a company who will hold India's economy very well. So
Hmm.
they knew कि भाई सस्ते में मिल रहा है, अब invest करने का time है.
Hmm.
And it was the objective of Reliance also to get an investment into Geo, and Geo
Hmm.
is a part of Reliance.
Hmm.
So तब से deal start हुई. And Mukesh Ambani is very very clever. He took the first investor as a Facebook, and you
Hmm.
know how much credibility or how much big brand Facebook is. So when
Yeah.
Facebook come to the picture, so every other player will think कि हाँ भाई invest करने जैसा है.
Hmm.
They will obviously do a rational thing. They will always calculate every metric, and they will say कि हाँ भाई इतना invest कर सकते हैं. So
Hmm.
there are two types of investment in Geo. It happened. One is the strategic investment, which was done from Facebook and Google. So Facebook and Google are the strategic, which means they will involve in the operation, they will involve in the business. कि भाई क्या कर रहे हो तुम, कैसे करना चाहिए? We will help in this. We will provide you WhatsApp. Google said we will provide you these kind of strategic thinking from Google. Rest 7 to 8 firms were investors, so they don't care about the business much कि भाई क्या क्या कर रहे हो. They are investing their money and they are saying कि भाई we are hoping that in coming years
Big
your
exit.
valuation, yeah, your valuation will go up and then we'll earn more. So that is the financial investment happened. So these kind of things happened. So when you say like ये strategic था या नहीं था, so yeah, few came for money because they think that these are the cheap option we are getting and ये बहुत ही ऊपर जाएंगे. So there are firms like KKR and Silver O. So these kind of firms are there, and ये दो strategic investors आए. Now their plan is to lay out everything digitally. So now they have an internet and now they want to give media thing. You know, there are lots of media small companies under Jio. So भाई लोगों के पास मोबाइल होगा तो लोग इंटरनेट चलाएंगे. अब इंटरनेट चलाएंगे तो उस पे उनको कुछ खाना भी चाहिए. I mean, they need some consumption. So they are providing a lot of free data to watch many things. So इसलिए उन लोगों ने they have bundled many OTT players into one. So people should buy Jio and then they can watch Netflix or Hotstar or these kind of things. So it's a very strategic move from him and he understands very well Indian consumers. कि भाई इंडियन कंज्यूमर्स को चाहिए क्या, कि भाई अगर लोग थक के काम करके शाम को आ रहे हैं then they should open their Jio and entertainment होना चाहिए. So this is what I see, and this is the same thing happening in retail market. That's a different story and a different industry what he's trying to capture and how much it is big. So it's a different talk only. But from a geo perspective, they have moved a lot of things and they are planning for next 10 years or 15 years because they know how the things gonna span out for digital India.